Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic linear inequalities. In the previous video, we considered what linear inequalities are. In this video, we are going to consider how to solve linear inequalities. Just as we did for linear equations, we are going to divide linear inequalities into types. So in this video, we will consider how to solve the first type of linear inequalities. The first type is where you have the letter on only one side of the inequality. Here are four examples for us to solve. We are going to solve two examples in this video, then we will solve the next two in the next video. So we are being told to find the truth set of the following and we will have to illustrate our answer on a number line. Let's take them one after the other and see how we are going to do this. So we pick the first one. 4x plus 2 is less than 14. We are supposed to solve this linear inequality. The processes are the same as what we did for linear equations. So here, what you have to do is to group like terms. We know that 2 and 14 are like terms. So we group 2 and 14 on one side of the inequality. So what I'm going to do is that I'll leave 4x here, then I'll take 2 from this side and bring it here. As we said in the previous video, whenever a number or a term crosses the inequality sign, the sign of the number changes. So since 2 is positive here, as soon as it crosses this inequality sign, 2 becomes negative. So I'll leave 4x here. We have the less than sign. 14 is already here, so we write 14. Then when 2 crosses the inequality sign from this side to this side, it becomes negative. So I'm going to have 14 minus 2. Now we move on. We have 4x, which will already be there. Then 14 minus 2 will give us 12. In linear equations, we said that when you get to this stage, you divide through by the number attached to x. You do the same thing here. So here the number attached to x is 4. So you divide through these inequalities by 4. You divide through this inequality by 4. So you divide both sides by 4. We divide 4x by 4. We divide 12 by 4. 4 will cancel 4. So when you come here, 4 will cancel 4. Then 4 will cancel 12 3 times, which means that we are going to have s is less than 3. So we have solved this linear inequality. But the question told us to find the truth set. We've learned how to find the truth set. To find the truth set, we say that the truth set is you open your curly brackets, then the variable, which is x, is such that x is less than 3, as you have here. So we have written the truth set for this inequality. The question also told us to illustrate our answer on a number line. So to illustrate your answer on a number line, you draw a simple number line like what I have here. Make sure that the number in your answer is on the number line. This is what I mean. Here, the number in our answer is 3. So make sure that 3 is on the number line. So my number line contains -1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. You should also make sure that the differences between your numbers on the number line are the same. You don't necessarily have to write a lot of numbers like this. You can write just 3 or 4 of them. I just use this to explain how you are going to do it to you. So I chose -1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can see that the differences between them are the same. From here to here is 1, from here to here is 1, from here to here is 1, and it continues. Now, after you've done this is what you do. You draw a line from your answer. You draw an arrow from your answer. The direction of the arrow must be the same as the direction of the inequality sign. Now you can see that this inequality sign is less than, is going this way. So it means that your arrow must also be in the same direction. So you see that the direction of the arrow will be the same as the direction of the inequality sign. Your line must be from your answer in the direction of the inequality sign. So our answer is 3. The direction of an inequality sign is less than, so you draw your arrow in that direction. Then after that, you draw some small circle on top of your answer like this. So this is how to illustrate this answer on a number line. Let's take the next question. We have minus 4 minus 3x is less than or equal to 20. So once again, we group like terms. In grouping like terms, I always like to keep my terms with the variable or x on the left hand side, then the ones without the variable on the right hand side. You can do it the other way around. You will get the same answer. But I prefer keeping my terms with the variables on the left hand side. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to keep negative 3x here. Then I'll send my negative 4 from this side to this side. So as soon as I keep negative 3x here, I will take negative 4 from this side. It's crossing the inequality sign, so it becomes positive. So I'm going to have negative 3x less than or equal to 20 plus 4. So we continue. Negative 3x is less than or equal to 20 plus 4 give us 24. Now when you get to this stage, you divide through by the number attached to x. Here the number attached to x is negative 3. So you are going to divide through the inequality by negative 3. Now you have to take note of something here. In the introductory video, we said that when you divide through by a negative number, the direction of the inequality changes. So here, as soon as we divide through by negative 3, the inequality changes from less than or equal to greater than or equal to. So that is the meaning of that statement. As soon as you divide through by a negative number, the direction of the inequality changes. So here it was less than or equal to, it will change to greater than or equal to because we have divided through by a negative number. So here negative 3 will cancel negative 3. We are going to have x. You have your greater than or equal to 24 divided by negative 3 will give us negative 8. You present your answer as a truth set. So the truth set is x is such that x is greater than negative 8. The question said we should illustrate our answer on a number line. So we draw a number line. On the number line, make sure that the number in your answer is on the number line. The number in our answer is negative 8. So you should make sure that negative 8 is on the number line. Then add about 3 to 4 numbers. And also make sure that the differences between the numbers are the same. So here from negative 8 to negative 4 is 4. From negative 4 to 0 is 4. From 0 to 4 is 4. So make sure that the differences between them are the same. You can end at 0 or 4. It doesn't change anything. So we draw a line from negative 8, which is our answer, in the direction of the inequality sign. Here the inequality sign is pointing this side, is greater than, so you draw from negative 8 in that direction. Then you draw a small circle on top of the answer. Now here, because you have greater than or equal to, you have to shade the circle that you draw on top of the answer. If the sign is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, you shade the circle. If it's only less than or greater than, you don't shade the circle. Thank you for watching this video on linear inequalities. See you in the next video where we will take more questions on linear inequalities. Bye bye.